Hello everyone, today we are going to be working on stretching and improving your arches and points in general. You are going to be using a TheraBand, but if you don't have a TheraBand and you stay until the end, you will see how we replace it for a hairband. So say that, let's get to it. First of all, let's warm up our toes and arches. So we are going to stretch legs in front of us and we are going to do some toes, flex, arch and point. We are going to do 8. If you want to do more, feel free to do so. And after that, we are going only to do toes. Toes, that's it. Awesome. Just to make sure that your toes and your arches are warm before getting to a more deep stretching exercises. Okay, once you do that and you make sure that you feel warm enough, let's go to our first exercise. So first, you're gonna sit on your knee and you're gonna lift one foot at demi point and we are gonna hold it for 10 seconds. After you have done that for 10 seconds, you're gonna move to press toes on the ground and go over your toes and press arches. You're gonna hold it for 10 seconds. And then you're gonna repeat that as many times as you want. Maybe 4 more times, 10 seconds, 10 seconds, and then we are going to change to our other leg. Remember, demi point, you can move and press forward so you feel your toes really stretching. Hold it for 10 seconds, change to arch press, 10 seconds, and you're going to repeat each maybe between 4 and 8 times. For next exercise, you're going to either need help of a wall, or in this case, I have my ballet bar here. So what we're going to do, releve, go really tall, and you're going to use your body weight to rest over the toes, and maybe you want to go a little bit forward, and we are going to stay here for 20 seconds. After you've done that for 20 seconds, we are then going to do arch. Use the hands on the bar or on the wall to support a little bit and don't let your body weight to rest too much. And then we are going to hold it for another 20 seconds. That's it. So we are going to repeat that 4 times again. Try to make sure that your heels are together. You go all the way forward and a really tall releve. Not just here, but really, really tall. 20 seconds here to change to arch press. 20 seconds here. Make sure to really press, really stretch your arches. And after you're done this third exercise, I'm gonna teach you my favorite one. This next step is going to be a little bit hard, challenging, maybe quite dangerous. So make sure to really, really warm up before doing this. So you're gonna get your TheraBand and you're gonna make sure to make a very small loop. What we're going to do, we're gonna put this around our toes and back to our heel. That's it. And we're gonna hold that for as long as we can. In my case, I would feel that I want it a little bit lower. That's it. Awesome. Look how good that looks like. Hold it for as long as you can without injuring yourself. Just feel comfortable, no pain, and then we're gonna change to the other foot. And now I'm gonna teach you how to do it without the TheraBand and with your hairband. So if you don't have a TheraBand at home, you can use your own hairband. And how we're gonna do, if it's a little bit thicker than this one, better, so it doesn't hurt, so it doesn't feel uncomfortable, we're gonna do exactly the same. Toes, heel, and look, it does the work too, right? And now I'm going to challenge you to do a picture of before and after this routine, and please let me know how it goes. For more exercises like this one, I would recommend you to click right here or check down below in the description of this video, where I'm going to leave a ton of links for you on how to improve your ballet technique. So go ahead, click your next video and let me know how it goes.